The imagination is the most powerful tool you have. Use it wisely to shape your reality. Neville Goddard. The essence of manifesting your desires lies in understanding and harnessing the power of your imagination. Imagination is not a mere daydream or idle fantasy, it is a dynamic force capable of shaping your reality. To use this secret effectively, one must first acknowledge that everything you experience is a result of your inner state. The world around you is a reflection of your internal beliefs, thoughts, and emotions. By mastering your imagination, you essentially become the architect of your own existence. The process begins with the realization that your imagination is more than just a tool, it is the very fabric from which your reality is woven. To manifest quickly and effectively, you need to engage with this inner power with clarity and purpose. Imagine your desired outcome as if it is already a part of your current experience. This mental rehearsal is not about wishing or hoping but about creating a vivid, tangible reality in your mind. Start by creating a clear, detailed vision of what you want to manifest. This vision should be so vivid that it feels real to you. Engage all your senses, see it, hear it, feel it, and even smell and taste it if possible. The more detailed and immersive your imagination, the stronger the impression you make on your subconscious mind. This mental picture should become so compelling that it overshadows any doubts or fears about your ability to achieve it. Once you have a clear vision, immerse yourself in it regularly. Set aside specific times each day to focus on this vision with intense emotion. This practice helps to reinforce the belief that what you desire is not just a possibility but an imminent reality. It's essential to maintain a sense of joy and gratitude during these sessions. Feel as though you are already living the reality you wish to create. This emotional alignment strengthens the connection between your current state and the desired outcome. An important aspect of this practice is to act as if your desire has already been fulfilled. In your imagination, place yourself in the situation where your desire has come to pass. Experience the feelings and reactions you would have in that situation. This practice aligns your subconscious mind with your conscious desires. Over time, this alignment creates a bridge between your inner world and your outer reality. Another critical element is persistence. Manifestation is not always instantaneous, it requires consistent effort and belief. The more you persist in maintaining a clear vision and a positive emotional state, the more rapidly you will see results. Understand that any doubt or negativity can impede the process, so it's crucial to address and overcome these barriers as they arise. To reinforce your practice, use affirmations that align with your vision. These affirmations should be positive, present tense, and emotionally charged. By repeating these affirmations, you embed the belief of your desire into your subconscious mind. Your subconscious then works to align your external reality with these beliefs. Visualize your desired outcome as often as possible, especially when you wake up in the morning and before you go to sleep at night. These are the times when your mind is most receptive to suggestions. During these moments, you can influence your subconscious mind more effectively. Make this practice a routine part of your day, integrating it seamlessly into your life. As you persist in this practice, observe the subtle shifts in your reality. The changes may start small, but they will build momentum. Opportunities will arise, and situations will align to support your vision. These signs are confirmations that your imagination is working effectively. Do not be discouraged by the initial pace, keep reinforcing your vision and maintaining your belief. Reminder, the process of manifestation is a co-creation with the universe. While your imagination plays a vital role, being open to unexpected avenues and solutions can also enhance your results. Trust that the universe is aligning circumstances and people to help bring your desires to fruition. Your task is to maintain focus and positivity while remaining receptive to these manifestations as they occur. The key to rapid manifestation lies in the clarity of your vision, the emotional intensity you bring to your practice, and the persistence with which you maintain this state. By dedicating yourself to this practice, you harness the profound power of your imagination to bring your desires into reality. As you continue to refine and apply this technique, you will witness the extraordinary transformation of your life, guided by the force of your own inner creativity. When you truly grasp the power of imagination and its role in shaping your reality, you'll discover an entirely new dimension to your existence. Imagine a life where every desire and dream you hold is not merely a distant hope but a tangible reality that unfolds before you. This shift in perspective is not only empowering but also transformative. The secret lies in understanding that imagination is not a passive activity but an active and deliberate process. It's about engaging with your inner vision as if it were already your current reality. The key to unlocking this potential is to immerse yourself in the experience of your desires with all the senses. Picture not just the end result but the entire journey of achieving your goals. How does it feel to attain what you have been yearning for? What emotions and sensations arise when you imagine yourself living your dream? By deeply connecting with these feelings, you enhance the power of your imagination, which, in turn, accelerates the manifestation process. The concept of imagining as if you already have what you desire involves more than just fleeting thoughts. It requires a consistent and focused effort to maintain this imagined state, treating it as a current reality rather than a future possibility. This shift in mindset aligns your subconscious mind with your conscious goals, creating a powerful synergy that attracts your desires into your life. Consider the impact of this practice on various aspects of your life. Whether it's financial abundance, personal relationships, or career achievements, applying this principle can dramatically alter your experiences. For example, if you envision yourself succeeding in a particular field, with vivid details and emotional engagement, you set the stage for that vision to materialize. The key is to maintain a sense of certainty and confidence in your visualizations. Doubts and negative thoughts can disrupt this alignment, so it's crucial to stay focused on the positive outcome you wish to achieve. It's also important to recognize the role of persistence in this process. Visualization and imagination are not one-time activities but ongoing practices. Regularly revisiting your goals and reinforcing your desired outcomes through imagination keeps them fresh in your mind and maintains the momentum needed for their realization. Each time you engage in this practice, you strengthen the connection between your inner world and external reality, making it easier for your desires to manifest. Another aspect to consider is the integration of gratitude into your imaginative practice. Expressing gratitude for what you already have and what you are about to receive creates a positive vibration that attracts more of what you desire. By feeling grateful in advance, you align yourself with the frequency of abundance and success, which further enhances the manifestation process. The application of this principle extends beyond personal goals and can positively influence your interactions with others. By envisioning harmonious and successful relationships, you set the stage for those interactions to manifest in your life. Your imaginative practices can shape not only your individual experiences but also your broader interactions and connections. In essence, mastering the art of imagination and visualization involves a commitment to living in alignment with your desired outcomes. By consistently engaging with your dreams as if they are already fulfilled, you create a powerful force that drives their manifestation. This approach requires dedication and belief, but the results can be profoundly transformative. Understanding and applying the power of imagination is a profound way to influence and shape your reality. The insights shared here offer a powerful approach to manifesting your desires by leveraging the deep connection between your thoughts and your outer world. By envisioning your goals with clarity and engaging deeply with your inner images, you align your subconscious with your desired outcomes. This process requires a clear, consistent practice of visualizing your goals and maintaining a positive emotional state. If you found these insights valuable, I encourage you to support this channel by giving this video a thumbs up. Your feedback helps in creating more content that can assist you in your personal growth journey. Additionally, subscribing to the channel ensures that you stay updated with the latest techniques and teachings that can empower you to achieve your goals. Consider sharing this video with friends or family who might also benefit from understanding how to harness their imagination to manifest their desires. Spreading this knowledge can help others on their path to achieving their dreams. If you have any questions or thoughts about the techniques discussed, please leave a comment below. Engaging with the content not only helps to clarify any doubts but also fosters a space for sharing experiences and insights. To stay connected and continue receiving valuable tips and inspiration, follow the channel on social media platforms. This way, you can keep up with all the latest updates and participate in discussions that can further enhance your understanding and application of these concepts. In conclusion, applying the techniques discussed in this video can significantly influence how you manifest your desires. By following the steps outlined and maintaining a dedicated practice, you are setting yourself on a path to realizing your goals. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Your support is crucial in continuing to provide valuable content and fostering a space for learning and growth.